Let's play hide and seek. Find and tap on Cowie. Cowie is between. Great job! Can you find Elliot? Elliot is among the rocks. Correct! Can you find Bobby? Bobby is on the... Well done! Well done! You found them all! Let's balance the seesaw. Drag the right number of cats to balance the seesaw. Great! Now on to the next round. Drag all the pets onto the seesaw and make it balanced on both sides. You are doing great! Keep going! Well done! You did it! See you soon!